हाँ पिला माने आमे आज इंटीग्रेशन by using more trigonometrical functions, integration using more trigonometrical functions. More trigonometrical functions, that means particularly in this exercise you faced many types of problems that which in your exam most come in your examination, in annual examination. So this is very important for you because that more trigonometrical functions from number 1 there is I think in this exercise there are 6 questions. In this exercise there are 6 questions of 9H. Yes, from 9H there are 6 questions. Each questions are different orders. There are 5 forms, different forms of integrations, 5 different forms of integrations. Now I have discussing clearly and briefly about it. So I think you must remember and it must be useful for your future also. For example, that form, which form? Form number 1. Form 1. Form 1 that is equal to dx by a plus b sin x, or integration of dx by a plus b cos x, or integration of dx by a sin x plus of b cos x plus c. You look from question number 1. From question number 1 of your exercise 9H. That is integration using more trigonometrical functions, because why that particular word used in this case? You look in form 1. In form 1 dx by a plus b sin x, either in this form or in this form or in this form, whatever it may be. Then how to integrate, how to evaluate this value? I give the suggestion how to evaluate. For sin x, particular for sin x, you put the value, you know the formula 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. That x by 2. That is the formula of sin 2x formula, the 2 tan x by 1 plus the sin 2x form in tan form. The sin 2x formula in tan form. There is x, then we have used x by 2. If it is 2x, then you put x here. So in sin x is equal to, you use 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2. For sin x, particularly for sin x. If for cos x, you also use this particular formula of tan form, that is 1 minus of tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus of tan square x by 2. You remember particular that 2 trigonometrical forms for using in this form. That 2 trigonometrical identities using particular these forms, especially in number 1. Now I am going to solve question number 1 of exercise 9H. You look, put sin x value that and put cos x value that. So I have completed discussing about the form 1. Now I am going evaluate some integral value of your exercise 9H. Exercise 9H. Now I am going to solve the problems about form 1, that evaluate the integral value by using form 1 and the identity which I have say you from before. That now I am discussing from number 1I. Number 1I. You look seriously. Yes. Number 1I. That problem is dx by 4. That is dx by 4 plus 5 cos x. Here is cos x, not sin. So cos x in form 1. For cos x, you put the value of cos x, that is 4 plus 5 whole into 1 minus, because cos x formula you put the cos x formula 1 minus of tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus of tan square x by 2. Instead of cos x, you put the formula 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. That is your formula of number 1I. Now I am discussing clearly about it. Okay. That is equal to integral value of the LCM is 1 plus tan square x by 2 multiplied with 4, and that lower value going to upper sides. So 1 plus of tan square x by 2, the LCM value going to numerator because it is divided in denominator, so it is going to numerator into 4 into that LCM value multiplied with 4 into 1 plus of tan square x by 2 plus 5 whole into 1 minus of tan square x by 2. Look, the denominator going to upwards into dx. You look, you already know 1 plus tan square x theta is equal to sec square theta. So you put 1 plus tan square x by 2 is equal to sec square x by 2. That becomes 4 plus 4 tan square equal to 5 minus 5 tan square. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Minus of 4 tan square x by 2 minus of 5 tan square x by 2 is equal to minus of tan square x by 2. You look, 4 into 1 4, 5 into 1 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Plus 4 tan square x by 2 minus of 5 tan square x by 2 is equal to minus of tan square x by 2 dx. Now the problem going to very easy. You look, now this problem going to very easy. Put tan x by 2 is equal to z. Put tan x by 2 is equal to z. So dz is equal to 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 dx. You look, the derivative of tan x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 sec square x by 2. Dz into dz by dx multiplied here. So half sec square x by 2. But in this problem, only sec square x by 2 in numerator side into dx. So 2 is multiplied with dz, that becomes 2 dz is equal to sec square x by 2 dx. You look, 2 dz is equal to sec square x by 2 dx. Okay. Now instead of sec square x by 2 dx, you put 2 dz. That becomes 2 taking outside of the integration. So dz divided by 9. 9 means 3 the square. The square of 3. 3 the square minus of tan x by 2 is equal to z. That is z square. Look this problem now. That problem reduced in this form to the integration of dz by 3 the square minus of z the square. It is very easy to find the value. So that is a 2 into 1 by 2a. 2 into a means 3. Ln 3 minus z divided by 3 plus z plus c. 2 cancel. That is 1 by 3 ln the value of z. The value of z is tan x by 2. 3 minus or tan x by 2 divided by 3 plus tan x by 2 plus c. That is the answer. Thus, you look, only I change the value of cos x here. Only the cos x value put here and find the result very easily. That process is very easy process to find particular that type of integration of form 1. Form 1 I have already discussed. What is the form 1 I have already told about you. So there is 3 types of form 1. Now I am going to solve number vi. Number vi. And remaining problems 2i, 3i, iv, v. I think you must solve these problems. I know you must solve these problems. Okay. Now I am going to discussing about question number 1 vi. Question number 1 vi. Yes. Number question vi, that is integral value of dx 1 plus cos x plus sin x. I think sin x. Yes, particularly in these problems, now I am going to just factorize the cos x value into tan form and then sin x form into the tan form also. Now, dx is equal to 1 plus cos x, you put the value of cos x is equal to 1 minus of tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Then next, you put also the value of sin x, that is 2 tan x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. You know that particular formula you use in this identity of this to find the evaluation of this integration. Now, the LCM of 1 plus tan square x by 2, you look, the LCM of the denominator is 1 plus tan square x by 2 multiplied with 1 and it going to numerator. So that becomes 1 plus of tan square x by 2, because the divide the 1 plus tan square x by 2 in denominator, it is going to numerator. Now 1 plus tan square x by 2 multiplied with 1 plus of tan square x by 2 plus of 1 minus of tan square x by 2, the numerator part of the denominator 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus of 2 tan x by 2 dx. Here plus tan square x by 2 minus tan square x by 2 cancelled, and the numerator part 1 plus tan square x by 2 is equal to, that is sec square x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus 1 is equal to, you look, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 2 tan square 2 tan x by 2. So taking 2 common, 1 plus tan x by 2 dx. Now put 1 plus tan x by 2 is equal to z. Put 1 plus of tan x by 2 is equal to z. Put 1 plus tan x by 2 is equal to z. So dz, I already find the value of dz from the previous problem, that is dz is equal to 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 dx. You look, sec square x by 2 divided by 2 dx here presents, that becomes sec square x by 2 by 2 dx is equal to dz by z. dz by, that is sec square x by 2 divided by 2 dx is equal to dz by z, because 1 plus tan x by 2 is equal to z. So dz by z is equal to ln z plus c. Put the value of z, the value of z is equal to 1 plus tan x by 2. So ln 1 plus tan x by 2 plus c. That is your answer. So number 1 question, that is your answer. That's all about our number 1 question, and it is number 1 VI. So dz by z is equal to ln z plus c, ln 1 plus tan x by 2 plus c. That's all about number 1. So remaining the questions like 2i, 3i, iv and v, I think we can find this value by using particular identities which I told you in form 1. Okay, now I am going to solve number 2. Number 2 is form 2. Form 2 also separate form. That is number 1, form 1 is completed now. Now I am going to discussing about form 2, because form 2 totally depend on number 2. Number 2 depend on form 2. So now I am discussing about form 2. So form 2 is also very important question. You also find in the JEE advanced examination about form 2 in this year also. Some 1 problems from that form faced by the students. JEE advanced, not preliminary, JEE advanced students face these problems. Okay, now number form 2. Form 2. Form 2 is a sin x plus a b cos x divided by c sin x, plus or minus whatever it may be, plus or minus whatever it may depend upon your, plus or d cos x. Form 2, that form where a not equal to c and b not equal to d. A and C, there is no relation A and C and B and D, there is no relation between A and C and B and D. Okay, now how to integrate that value? You look this form and how to factorize this part a sin x plus b cos x. You look, so taking a cos x, taking a, that is a sin x plus a b cos x, that is the part of numerator, that is the part of numerator of this fraction. So taking the numerator part into, taking a constant k1 into c sin x plus a d cos x plus a k2 d by dx of c sin x plus a d cos x. Look, that particular thing, look, the denominator, the numerator part is broken into k1, some constant, into denominator plus k2 derivative of the denominator. That becomes, you look, that becomes k1 c sin x plus a d cos x is equal to k2. So sin derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, c cos x, cos x derivative minus sin x, so d sin x. Just in this equation, you evaluate the value of k1 and k2 by taking the coefficient of sin x and cos x. By taking the coefficient of the curve, variable of sin x and cos x, you find the evaluate the value of k1 and k2 and put the k1 and k2 and integrate them. So form 2 is very in this way. You look, form 2 is in this way. Now I am going to solve one problems and you will better understand in this way, better understand about this form 1. Now number 2. Now number 2 in your books, number 2i. Number 2i, that is equal to 3 sin x plus 28 cos x divided by 5 sin x plus 5 sin x plus 6 cos x dx. You look, the denominator part is 5 sin x plus 6 cos x, where numerator part is 3 sin x plus 28 cos x. So I have broken in this way. So taking factorize, the numerator part is equal to 3 sin x plus 28 cos x is equal to k1 into denominator part, denominator given 5 sin x plus a 6 cos x plus a k2 whole into derivative of 5 sin x, 5 cos x and 6 derivative of 6 cos x is equal to minus of 6 sin x. Now I am going to explain briefly about this particular coefficient. Here looks, the coefficient of sin x is equal to 3. Here the coefficient of sin x is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to, coefficient of sin x is equal to 5k1. Coefficient of sin x is equal to minus of 6k2. So 3 is equal to 5k1 minus of 6k2. Equation 1. To find equation 1. Then coefficient of cos x is equal to 28. Here coefficient of cos x is equal to 6k1 plus 5k2. You look 5k2. Equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 to eliminate the value of k1 and k2, from there are two equations and two variables, it is easily to find the value of k1 and k2. Now multiply equation 1 with 5. Equation 1 with 5. So that is 5 into k1 is equal to 25 k1 minus of 30 k2 is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Equation 2 into 6, equation 2 into 6, because 30, 6 k1, that is 36 k1 plus of 30 k2 is equal to 28 into 6. 28 into 6 is equal to 28 into 6. 28 into 6. 28 into 6 is 168. 168. Add, cancel. 36 plus 25 is equal to 61 K1. 61 K1 is equal to 183. 168 plus 15. So K1 is equal to, you look, K1 is equal to 3. The value of K1 is equal to 3. The value of K1 is equal to 3. So put the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, you can find the value of K2. So K2 is equal to, so K2 is equal to here, in this case, 18. 6 into 3, 18, 10. 5 K2 is equal to 10, K2 is equal to 2. So K2 is equal to 2. You look, we find the value of K1 and K2. K1 value is equal to 3 and K2 is equal to 2. Now put in the case of 3 sin x. In case of 3 sin x 28 cos x, we put the value of K1. K1 means 3. 3 into 5 is sin x plus 6 cos x. Because K1 value is equal to 3, integration value divided by 5 is sin x plus 6 cos x dx, and K2 is equal to 2 plus K2 is equal to 2. Instead of K2 you put 2, integration of 5p cos x minus 6 sin x divided by the numerator value is 5 sin x plus 6 cos x. You can cancel that part. You can cancel that part. I just clean this part. Okay. Now that broken in this way, factorize into this way, so that is becomes 3 dx. That is z, that is dz. Put z is equal to 5 sin x 6 cos x. You already know the derivative part is dz is equal to dx here. So dz is equal to 5 cos x minus 6 sin x dx. So that is dz. So plus 2 dz by z. That becomes 3x plus 2 ln z plus c. That equal to 3x plus 2 ln z is equal to the numerator part is taking z, because the numerator part taking z. So ln z is equal to 5 sin x plus 6 cos x plus c. That is your answer. That is the method by solving number 2. But now I am going to solve some different types of questions in your books, number 3i and iv. I am also discussing about. But number 2i, I have told some tricks to you. 12 sin x minus 2 cos x divided by sin x plus cos x, and procedure this form, and plus 3 divided by sin x plus cos x by using form number 1, plus 3 factorize 2 parts. 12 sin x minus 2 cos x divided by sin x plus cos x, one part, and second part is equal to 3 into dx by sin x plus cos x. d 3 into sin x integration of sin dx of sin x plus cos x using form number 1. Then you can easily find. Now I am going to number 3i and iv also. That is important. Number 3i. Now I am going to solve number 3i, that is 5 sin x, number 3i, 5 sin x divided by given 3 minus 2 sin x, 3 minus 2 sin x. You look the tricks, how to solve this. Here sin x also, in the above part also sin x, then taking 5 by 2. That is 2 sin x. You multiply 5 by 2. That becomes 5, 2 cancels 5 by 2 sin x. Because here 2 sin x divided by 3 minus 2 sin x. Then taking minus 3 and plus 3. Because 3 is plus and minus here also. The tricks you use. 5 by 2 became 2 sin x. And minus 3 plus 3. Because 3 is plus and minus in form in denominator. So dx. From that 2 term taking minus common. Taking minus a common, 5 by 2 is going outside, minus, became 3 minus 2 sin x divided by 3 minus 2 sin x dx, plus 3 into 5 by 2, 15 by 2 integration of dx by 3 minus 2 sin x, that is cancels. That becomes minus of 5 by 2 dx, and that part is using form number 1, that is 15 by 2 dx divided by 3 minus of 2 into 2 tan x by 2. You remember this formula, 2 tan x by 2, 1 plus or tan square x by 2. And then similarly you can solve this way, that is minus of 5 by 2 dx plus of 15 by 2, that is 1 plus tan square x by 2 is equal to going to denominator numerator side, that becomes x square x by 2. You already know that process, and that becomes 3 plus of 3 tan square x by 2 minus of 2 4 tan x by 2, 2 into 2 4 tan x by 2 dx. Then taking tan x by 2 is equal to z, and dz is equal to 2. So x square dx is equal to 2 dz, 2 cancel, 15 dz by 3 plus of 3z square minus 4z. You can easily find out this process using form number 1. So that is the tricks number 2, number 3i, that tricks used. But IV, it is separate tricks. From number IV also separate. You look, that type of problems very important for your annual exams also. So you have seriously looked these problems. Okay, now IV. Kete samay gala? Huh? 35. Atala haba, apna IV ta hejibo problem ta. IV ta course sala pore jai chhadi. You look number IV, number 2 IV. Because next session I have completed number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now today I completed number 2, number 2 IV, number 2 IV. Number 2 IV, that is given 2 cos x plus 7, that is 2 cos x plus 7 divided by 4 minus sin x. 4 minus of sin x dx. Just you factorize this problem, you factorize in this way, factorize 2 taking outside, cos x divided by 4 minus of sin x dx plus of 7 taking outside dx by 4 minus of sin x. You look this process. Okay, in this case from first integration, taking sin x is equal to z. Taking sin x is equal to z. So dz is equal to cos x dx. You know very well. You know it. So dz is equal to cos x. That becomes 2 dz by 4 minus of z. That is very easy process to integrating this value. Now 7, and using form number 1, dx 4 minus of sin x value is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square using form 1 number 1. So LCM is 1 plus tan square x by 2. So that is 2 dz by 4 minus of z plus 7 1 plus of tan square x by 2, that is 4 plus of 4 tan square x by 2 minus of 2 tan x by 2 dx. You already taking z, you taking t here, put tan x by 2 is equal to t, that is 1 plus tan square x by 2 is equal to sec square x by 2. Sec square x by 2. Put to t is equal to tan x by 2. So 2 dt is equal to sec square x by 2 dx. Yes, 2 dt, not dz, 2 dt. So taking 2 here, 2 dz by 4 minus z plus of 7 into 2 alaga 14. Now 2 is taking common outside of the integration, that is dt becomes 4t square minus of 2t plus 4. You can easily find this value, integration value, and get the answers. This is the process how to find the value of number 2. I think number 1 and number 2 you can you can find the value of the integration value easily. The remaining problems, I think only problems from 2i I have also discussed about 2i, and I number 1 I have already solved the problem, already evaluated the value of number I and vi also. Now remaining part you can find in your homework, that is home tax. Next class I also asked to, if you have any problems faced in these problems, you can ask to me. Okay, now the next previous class is number 3, 4, 5 and 6 I am discussing. Number 6 same as number 3, but 4 and 5 having another 2 forms, so there are 5 forms. I have already discussing 2 forms, form 1 and form 2. Then in next class I have discussing about another 3 forms, for number 3, number 4 and number 5. So I am discussing 3 forms. Now today that's all of us. I think you understand better. Now close this session.